Hey folks, AJ here. We are here at Guildfield. They finished the painting, drywall, and all that other good stuff. So today is going to be working on putting everything in place that we can inside the sanctuary because they're going to be doing carpet on Tuesday. So need to get that stuff knocked out. I'm waiting for my brother-in-law to get here to help me with hanging the TVs. But I am going to concentrate my work right now, and there he's pulling up right now. Here he goes right there. I'm gonna concentrate my efforts. Well, I was gonna concentrate my efforts in putting everything in the media room, but since he's here, we're gonna concentrate on doing the mounts, getting the TVs put up, and going from there. All right, folks. So the first thing I'm gonna do is probably tackle that back one. And I remember now that I did that video, I need to make sure that the toggle bolts are, not the toggle bolts, but the lag bolts are long enough because it's about a 2-inch gap between center block. So I need to make sure we can get that far, or I might have to run up to Lowe's and get something else. I should have thought about that when I got here. Very productive day, folks. Boom. I'm getting ready to hang this last camera. Side camera, back TV, back camera. Yay. I also forgot speaker here. The other one, I might try. I don't know. I might as well. I want to get all this stuff done. So, I didn't really record that much because it was trying to knock out a lot of stuff, but they left me here. So I'm try and do this last speaker, do the front camera, and then hang. Well, I was going to hang the other TV that's in the media room, but I don't know the easiest path of where the cables are going to run when they come over there. So I'm going to actually wait. So once I do this, I might actually hook the computer up. I don't know. I just need everything in here to be done. So I need to level that TV off. I moved it up, so I need to level it back up. But then after that, that's mainly it. Oh, Lord. All right, so I cheated. I did end up hanging it. So at this point, I just got to hang the last camera. And we're done. I think I'm going to leave my ladder here. I don't know of any other projects where I need my ladder right now. But I just moved this in the other room and then hang this last part. And then we're up and out of here. I must say, a good day's work. Back TV, camera, side camera, front speakers, front TVs, front camera, other speaker. Yay, everything here outside of the digital snake, the S16, that's gonna live right there, as well as the amp. Maybe I can put the amp in there right now. I said I was getting ready to go and I'm getting ready to do something else. But the amp, the snake is gonna live there. So I'm actually gonna turn it to the side since the cable is gonna plug into the front. And then the amp will go right, excuse me, the amp will go there as well. Everything plugs in. And the only thing I gotta do is get back up here. I already have a pull string for here. Ethernet back there. Gotta run HDMI for the camera back here. 2 back here in the opposite direction. One is the source, obviously the camera. The other one is the display for the TV. 2 displays here. All those cables are right there and the access point to the ceiling. Run that back. That's a brick wall on the other side of that because this is the old building. Punch through there, find a way to feed all the cables into the media room, connect everything. Snake should be here Tuesday. Hook that up and start to get something and then level the TVs and all that stuff. So let me put myself, what did I say I was gonna do? Oh yeah, put the amp. Let me do that, and then I am heading out of here. So folks, this is what, day 2, 3, 4, I can't remember, in Guildfield, but moving right along. So let me actually, see, I said I was gonna end this up, but let me take you over what I did over here as well too. Fix the TV back there, and temporarily got stuff set up in here. This will be for the ATEM X32 over here, and these might switch because I don't know what is the easiest way of where I'm going to pull cables. I'm assuming it might be here, but this is where cables are fed right now. So when I get in the ceiling, both of these may change, but that TV is going to go up on the wall here, if for the multi-view for the ATEM, or it will go over there. It all depends. But I was over here to grab that amp, and I'm mount that, and then I'm going home. So if you like this type of content, appreciate a like, consider subscribing, hit that bell. That way you get notified when you come out with other videos to help modernize your media ministry. Thanks for watching, folks. This is AJ. We'll catch you on the next video. Later.